Lung cancer kills more people each year in the United States than breast, colon, and prostate cancers combined. It's the deadliest cancer.
Being a bloke, I thought to myself, oh, it's just a bit of sore throat, that'll be fine. And never really thought anything of it.
The most important thing to know is that if you have lungs, you can get lung cancer.
Having lung cancer, I did feel like it was my fault because I was the one that made the choice to smoke.
Individuals who have a smoking history experience not only self-blame, but also the toxic effects of stigma from family, friends, healthcare clinicians.
That leads to detrimental outcomes because people feel ashamed. They don't seek treatment when they have symptoms. And we need to just recognize that nobody deserves lung cancer.
Well, Mum had died of lung cancer. The drugs that I've been given haven't been as brutal. Nothing like Mum went through. So the technology has come on leaps and bounds.
If we can do screening to find lung cancer at its earliest stages, then there's more treatment options and we can increase the survival rate.
It's a time of excitement and enthusiasm toward better outcomes for people, better outcomes for communities, and better outcomes for public health.
Me propuse cambiar mi vida, que valga la pena para mí y para la gente que quiero. En eso me enfoco todos los días.
Gotcha. I do think about all that I would miss if I was gone. It's been a long road.